Top of the hour, let's get you the updates coming in. What came out of the violence that had erupted in Bengaluru that claimed the lives of 3 people and nearly 60 policemen who were injured. With the role of the SDPI now becoming clearer in the violence, Karnataka government has said that they will push for a ban on PFI and the SDPI. Here's an excerpt from the interview when we spoke to the Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka.
Basically, this incident has triggered from so far what we are hearing is because of the Facebook post. Taking advantage of this, one of the political party tried to, organize themselves, create a law and order problem and damage a public property, take people's life, and they wanted to even burn down the police station. And they were blocking entire the routes leading to the police station. They wanted to ensure that none of the police battalion will be able to reach the police station or the locality where there's a disturbance. Basically, they tried to, very well organizedly, they wanted to create law and order problem, take the life and properties of the people, destroy the entire locality by burning it down or, taking the life of the people. This was their basic intention in the backdrop of this Facebook. And, the worker or the person, Mr. Naveen, he's a Congress worker, and he's in the Congress party, and he's an active worker.
Now, one second, are you
belongs to Congress party.
Direct Congress role?
Somehow the Congress party.
Mr. Ashwath Narayan, are you alleging direct Congress role in the riots? Or is that what you found out?
Sir, the party worker, they were climbing. Sir, from his own official post, his personal post, I am showing this. He is a Congress worker, and the person whom they climbed, by particularly few individuals who have climbed, who has posted the Facebook post is Mr. Naveen, he is a Congress worker. Now, along with this, the SDPI took the advantage of this situation. They wanted to create a law and order problem. They wanted to disturb the harmony. They wanted to, create all kind of problems. So this was the basic intention. They wanted to take everything law into the hand, create all kind of problem. And immediately, the police were able to act immediately. The government responded immediately, ensured nothing goes off the hand. We were able to take a strong action against this arsonist or the people who are trying to initiate the communal disturbance.
What about the role of the SDPI? We saw the SDPI leader speaking outside the police station, and we also believe that he's been arrested.
Yes. Yeah.
SDPI directly responsible, Mr. Ashwath Narayan?
Definitely, if you see some of the people who have been arrested, they belong to SDPI. One of the prominent person, the only one person who was elected as a corporator from Bangalore city, he's a main man, he's the main accused man in this entire rioting or the communal disturbance who was trying to create take the law into a hand. The main person accused is a SDPI corporator. He's been accused in this episode and he belongs to SDPI. SDPI as a party and is a frontal organization like PFI, many more organizations which belongs to SDPI. They were the people who were trying to create the complete disturbance. They took law into the hand. They wanted to create the fear. They were not, trying to listen to anybody.